Hey guys, getting ready to go to the mill, getting our fuel on our coffee and going to work.
It's cold.
Yes, a big change than what we're used to.
It is so cold in here today, guys. Here in Alabama, sun is shining, but it's still cold. It's the first day of cold for me. So we're wearing our hoodie and we're gonna head to the sawmill. We're going again. We got diesel already. Our truck is loaded with a bobcat. My driver. We had some coffee. We got a lot of junk in our truck because we're always prepared on things just in case something happened or broke down. This is our work truck. Alright, I think we're gonna go to the gym now. Not sure. Pretty cold in here, guys. I have my hoodie. I should have brought some jacket. It's kind of cold for me. So we're gonna work for a little bit in here and then go eat lunch and then go to the house and do more works at the house.
Okay guys, it's Monday morning. We're starting a new day of work. There's my sawyer right there. What we're trying to do today is avoid so much waste. We've got a big pile right here behind us. And we're always having to move a saw and give this stuff away. So what we're trying to do today is use our wood chipper as we do production. That way at the end of every day all we have is a big pile of chips. That's our goal. And we're going to see how it works today and see if there's any moving around or tweaking we need to do.
morning, everyone. We are here at the new location where we move our sawmill, and we're gonna be working around the cows. Well, with the cows in here. They're so noisy. We got our logs here waiting for us to be cut. Well, for me to cut. So first thing this morning is we're gonna level up the machine, and then we're gonna measure these logs and cut them 8 foot, I think, and then go from there. My husband is inside the bobcat so he can get our other tools. Bring our lunch every day.
Yeah. Don't waste the money. Married to a chef, can't eat out.
So we're heating it up. We cut over half a bundle already. So that's good. We finished our lunch, everybody. So now we are going back to work because we are gonna leave here early today because we have to get ready for the storm that's coming our way. So my husband
Well, Mickey Mouse.
yeah. So anyway, we'll be back in a little bit, everyone.
See, none of that's rough. See how rough that is.
So we finished working, everyone. I cut, well, we cut a bundle and a half, or
175.
175 3x3, and it's 3:40 here in Alabama. So now we are heading home. We're gonna go to the bank first, then go home and get ready for the storm. So it was a pretty good day. We started late cutting the log, but we had to level the saw and then took both of our chainsaw to get it sharpened. So it was still a really good day. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye. My driver. Good morning, everyone. We are back here at the sawmill again. It rained last night, but it wasn't bad. So my husband is marking the log to get it ready to cut. So today our goal will probably make about 2-3 bundles. We'll see. If the machine runs great like yesterday, then we should be all right. I worked my husband to death yesterday. So today, I don't know, we pretty much have poplar. We have some oak. So I don't know which one we're gonna cut first. Oak, it takes forever because it's hard.
We'll mix it up.
He said we will mix it up. The people that cut logs, they're here early, so that's good. I hope they have more logs for us. They delivered the pulpwood already that they loaded yesterday. So hold on, baby. That's not, baby, hold on. It's kind of way off, baby. It's way off. Wait, let me go. There. It's trying to measure and it was off. Multitasking here. Yesterday I cut the biggest poplar wood I've cut so far. I might have more. Is that the poplar wood, babe? Okay. This is the poplar wood. It's pretty big. So anyway, we're gonna keep cutting. Well, we're gonna keep measuring this. Then load the deck. That way it's ready.
You to look at this lady's smile as she's operating this thing. She's had a variety of jobs and I've never seen her smile like she does when she's running this bobcat.